Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable web and app activity in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open your Chrome browser. Okay, and then here you can click settings icon here. After that, please choose this one. And then here you can click three line at the top left corner. And then please select activity controls. Okay, after that here you can scroll down and then turn it off by pressing this option. And then click OK. Okay, and then the web and app activity on your Google Chrome is successfully disabled. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable web and app activity in Chrome on an Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.